Abundance and happiness is our birthright, and everyone has equal access to it. You are an unlimited being, and you have the ability to change any situation in your life right now. How would you love to do something that you are passionate about every day, have your own schedule, and create the kind of income that you dreamed of? It's possible. I went from a successful investment banking career to becoming an internet entrepreneur. How did I do that? Well, I didn't love my life anymore. It's quality of life that counts, but we want to be abundant at the same time. I learned how to use the internet with an education system that I'm introducing to you that changed my life. I learned how to create an online business. I didn't even have my own products and services, and I was able to bring value to the world and get rewarded for it. I have my own schedule, and my life is amazing. You deserve this too. If you click on the link, you can get a free video series to find out how it can change your life. I ended up writing a best-selling, award-winning book and several more, turned into a television movie, and I'm doing amazing things that I never imagined, all because of this education system that gave me the tools to do that. You are of great value, but not if you're struggling financially and unhappy. Get on board with the tools of the 21st century that are going to take you to that new life that you deserve. Abundance and happiness is your right. Thanks for listening.